fog advisory for the coast as well as our inland areas. Take a look right now, about 3 miles of visibility for San Diego. The rest of the county not looking too bad, but we just saw Laura out there at Torrey Pine. She said the fog has rolled right back on in with a vengeance. So, just be mindful of the fact that there is still some fog out there this morning, and that advisory lasts for another hour. What we've got is high pressure still dominating our atmosphere, bringing these temperatures still above seasonal average. Now, today we are looking at things to cool down just slightly compared to what we saw yesterday, but still relatively comfortable. Maybe some few clouds or a few extra clouds rolling on in. So we've got that jet stream up there separating that high pressure from the low pressure, which is to the north of us. Now, that low moving in from Hawaii, we call that the Pineapple Express, bringing some rain even to Northern California, which is great news for the state. We can certainly use some of that rain, add it to the rain bucket, but temperatures for us down here in San Diego might be dropping a few degrees. We might see some clouds, but not much by way of rain, although tomorrow morning, a very, very slight chance. We might see a little misting, maybe a little sprinkle or two. But again, any bit of rain that we can add to the rain bucket is good stuff for us. Now, surfers today looking at fair to good conditions out there, not too shabby. West swell, 3 to 5 footers for you. Strong rip currents as well, so very dangerous. It's going to get even better, though, for the weekend, especially by Sunday, getting even bigger for us. West swell, that 3 to 5 footers, again, increasing to about 7 feet by the time we get to Sunday. Our high tide comes in a little before 10 a.m. today, just under 5 feet, and that low tide is at about 4:30. Here's how things were yesterday at Lindbergh Field, 71 degrees. 65's our average, so still well above that average. And again, today we may drop those temps just a few degrees. Overnight lows came in on the higher side at 54 versus the average of 50, but relatively comfortable. And here's how the next 7 days are looking. Brought to you by Valley View Casino and Hotel. Here is the forecast that we can pretty much bet on at the coast, coming in at 68 degrees inland. We're talking about 76 degrees, and again, a slight chance for some sprinkles for tomorrow morning. These temperatures do climb just a little bit by the time we get to Sunday. And don't forget about the clouds. We might see a few extra clouds, some partially cloudy skies for us. Temperatures dropping for Monday and Tuesday just a bit, and then they start to climb right back on up for Wednesday, and especially by the time we get to Thursday, we're talking about the mid 70s at the coast, upper 70s for our inland communities. Let's go ahead and take a look at traffic.